Hello and welcome to this second edition of 5-Minute Features. Today we're going to take a look at the new Discover page and the new business domains. So the business domains were originally teased as part of the announce of Databricks 1 back at the Summit in 2025. Now they're finally here. They're in beta and you can find them over here on the left side if you have enabled the preview. So what they are is they are a collection of domains that you can tag to various assets. So one of the very important things here is that it's actually under the hood. It works as tags. So the way that you set them is actually by tagging domains. But we've been provided with this very nice UI where we can actually navigate and set them up. So first things first, you'll notice I've already created a domain here. We'll try creating a new one just for the sake of it. So we'll press create domain up here. You can see up here that I can select between existing tags and new tags. For existing, you can select from the list of governed tags that you have already. I can also do a new one and I can say demos. And then I can give a description and say this is meant for all demo resources. I can add a technical owner and a business owner, and I can add a full description. We'll just skip this for now. Press create. Then you'll see over here I have a draft. So right now it's not public, and then I can go in here and add to my domain. So basically I can browse through my entire workspace, all of my different files, and for now you cannot select queries, you cannot select Python files either, but you can see I can select notebooks. I can also select my Genie space here. I can also select this dashboard file I have down here. Also, I can go to my catalog, and then I can go in here in my demo, and I can say, all right, so this, so the lineage demo we did last time, I want to add my my table here. So right now there's no multi-select. This is a little annoying, to be honest, but I imagine this is going to be coming. I can press add to domain. Then if I want to add more, because there's no multi-select, then I have to go in here. I have to go back into this. Oh, lineage and this one. And then I could also, maybe I could add, just really quickly, I could add the notebook we did to do the demo with as well. So I could go here. I could go down here and find my Databricks lineage BYOL demo, and I could say add to domain. And right now it's still a draft. I can press publish. And then by doing that, it gets accessible to everybody else. So if I go back to the main page here, maybe. If I go back to the main page here, Discover, refresh, you'll see that apparently I now have two. I have two domains. I have sales and demos. And one thing I want to highlight here is an object can be part of multiple domains, right? So you'll see the bring your own lineage demo down here. It's actually added to both domains. All right. Under the hood, how this works is if we go in here to the lineage and then find this silver order enriched, you'll see that what has happened is it's been tagged with a tag for demos. If I go and look up this tag, I can go to my governed tags here, and I can just filter to user defined just for the easy sake. And you'll see here I have a tag demos and a tag sales. They don't have any allowed values, so they're actually just tags without a tag value, but only a tag key. And one of the really cool things is, apart from being able to use it inside this Discover page, which, by the way, if you go to a domain here, go not edit domain, sorry, go edit sections, you can actually control what kind of sections are prioritized in here, and you can and show hide these. But I think so this Discover page is obviously going to be nice for some people, but I think the real business value actually comes if we swap over to, instead of being in the workspace view here, we swap over to Databricks 1. So Databricks 1, for those of you who don't know, is basically your business users entrance point into Databricks, right? So it abstracts all of the codes. You'll see all of the workspace navigation we're used to having, that disappears. But instead you get this curated version, right? And then I can press in here, I can press domains. And then this is actually a really nice way for people to filter content into different business domains. So you can imagine like sales or purchasing or these kind of things. You'll also notice that the objects I had added, so the tables, they're not actually visible in here. So basically this is an extra level of abstraction that only shows the business relevant or the business accessible parts of your domain. All right. So what do you think about the new domains? Is it something you've been looking forward to? For me, I think it's a very good way to curate content to your business users going forward. And I look forward to seeing how people are going to implement this going forward. All right. Until next time, have a nice day.